Hey guys, what's up? It's Merrick. I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego butterfly knife. Here's what you need. 2, 3 pieces, connectors, and then 2 15, or how many holes you have, and 1 11, and then 3 of these, but 2 of them have to be gray colors because they are spinnies, or spinners, and then whatever color, and here I'll show you what it looks like when you put them together. You do this, and then you take your long ones, and then you put them on. Like this, and then you're basically done. All you gotta do is just put your 3-piece on. Well, bye. If you want me to show you any tricks, just leave it in the comments.